Understanding DevOps, the secret behind your favorite apps. Have you ever wondered how apps like Instagram and Spotify keep improving without breaking? The secret lies in a practice called DevOps. Let's break it down in a fun and simple way. Imagine a restaurant with chefs in the kitchen and waiters serving customers. In software, developers are the chefs who write code, while operations teams are the waiters ensuring everything runs smoothly. What happens if chefs and waiters don't communicate? Orders get mixed up, and customers leave frustrated. This was the case in software too, leading to finger-pointing when things went wrong. DevOps was created to bridge this gap. It's a mindset and culture where everyone collaborates from code writing to production. Here are some popular DevOps tools: GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and GitLab CI for automation, Docker and Kubernetes for containerization, Terraform and Ansible for infrastructure management, Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring app health. Collaboration: developers, testers, and operations work as one team, communicating constantly. Automation: DevOps uses automation for testing, building, and deploying apps, reducing manual errors. Continuous delivery: teams release smaller updates frequently, ensuring reliability and no surprises. Monitoring and feedback: apps are constantly monitored, fixing issues before users even notice. The essence of DevOps is teamwork. It's about collaboration, automating the tedious tasks, and constantly improving software delivery. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, like and share it with someone curious about tech.